Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really do appreciate it so very much. I am sorry I didn't get anything posted this last week. I did not have any time to film during daylight hours at all, which was really frustrating. And I don't have any lights. I use natural lighting, so I am hoping to remedy that here in just a few minutes after I finish filming for the week. I am planning to go on and order some lights from Amazon. I think I have a good set picked out. I've been trying to do some research and save up. I was hoping, as I mentioned in another video, to get a set of lights with the money from AdSense, but unfortunately that's ending and I am not quite to that threshold, so I don't think I will ever see that money. But I wanted to jump on here because I got my Glossybox and I wanted to open it, and I also just got my Ipsy as I this morning, so I was going to open these two, but I want to start with my Glossybox, so I'm so excited. It's such a cute box. Look at it, it has like the writing on it. As always, when you open it up, it has its little ribbon, and then inside the ribbon, they have a postcard this month. I almost said this year. And Glossybox is $21 a month, and you get a little booklet as well. And you can also do 3 and 6 month subscriptions, so it's a little cheaper. I love the tissue paper this month. Look at, isn't that cute with the little kisses for February? And I will leave for both Ipsy and Glossybox referral links down below, which means I get points. And then I can redeem them for items, or I think with Glossybox now you can use them towards your subscription, which is nice. So the first thing in here is a Pore Rose Hip Mud Sheet Mask, which is a peel-off 3D mask. That's very interesting. It is by JJ Young by Kaolin Labs. You're supposed to use toner after you wash, and then leave it on for 20 to 40 minutes. That's a long time, 40 minutes for a mask. So we'll see. I might try to remember to use that. The next thing in here is from Douce, I think that's how you pronounce it. And it is a lip definer pencil, D-O-U-C-C-E. I never know how to pronounce this. I know a lot of other people have problems with it too. This looks like a nice neutral color. Pretty creamy. I mean, not especially creamy, but it went on pretty smoothly. So that is what it looks like. And then the next thing in here, as my box keeps sliding down my lap, are Pick a Pinch Diamond Precision Beauty Tools, a pair of slant tweezers. And let's see if we can pull these out. Oh, that's interesting packaging. So they appear to be like a rose gold. And actually, I'm going to put them back in here and probably put these in a giveaway because I already have several pairs of tweezers. I love the Tweezerman tweezers, and I have several pairs because I found lots of them on clearance at Sephora inside pennies over the years. So I have like 2 regular pairs and 2 mini ones, and then I think I have a set as well. So I don't need any more tweezers, but those look really nice. So I hope that whoever, when I get my giveaway up, which is something I'm trying to work on too, will enjoy that. The next thing in here is from Royal Apothecary. It's a Scrubby Sugar Lip Scrub, extract of fig, and it matches me today. I'm very pinkish. Let's see. Oh, I'm not going to do this one because this is one that you need to have, like, I don't want to use the new tweezers, but you have to like puncture the metal part on it. So I am going to leave that for now because I don't have an implement that is clean that I would want to use on it. Like I could use a kitchen knife, but I don't really want to ruin my kitchen knife. So I need to figure out how I want to open that. And then the last thing in here is from John Masters Organics. There's a set. And this is a body wash, geranium and grapefruit, and a body milk. So I'm assuming that's like a lotion. Let's see. Oh, they smell pretty good. I was a little worried that the geranium might be overpowering, but it has a nice balance of the 2 scents. So let's look up what the costs were for all right. So I already filmed this, but I somehow hit the record button twice, which stopped the recording. So let's go over the prices again and kind of talk through everything. I was really excited. I discovered that this month they have taken what I put in every month for my feedback for Glossybox, put the actual price of the item received in the description on the sheet, because that's what I want to know. I want to know what the value of my actual box is, and they did it this month, so I'm so excited. We're going to start with the mask, which I am excited about because I will always use a mask. It retails for $5. The tweezers retail for $20, which I think is a pretty good, reasonable price for good tweezers. The lip scrub is $14, which I don't know what a good lip scrub normally runs, because I get them in boxes and my friends always pass them, I pass them on, so I don't know anybody who actually buys these because I get them all the time. And then the lip pencil is $20, which I'm glad to get because I don't buy lip pencils. I don't know if I've already said that. I might have. If I did, I apologize. And these are $6.50 each. So I think the overall value is pretty good because we have 13, 27, woo, the tweezers 47, 67 plus 5, so 72. I think that's a pretty good value for everything that we received. Now on to Ipsy, and I've already opened everything because I was being silly. I do really like the bag. I really like the lace and the pink. That is very much my aesthetic. As you can tell, I am very pink today. I actually think the packages for these two are probably one of my favorite things about this month. I am going to pass on this first item because it's just not my shade of lipstick whatsoever. It is from Mellow. It is a matte liquid lip paint, and it is in the shade Tehran. And it's just, I don't really do brownie nudes. I do pinky nudes. I do peachy nudes. I do purpley nudes, like a light purpley nude. But I just don't really gravitate towards the brown whatsoever. Now, you missed me struggling for 2 minutes with this packaging because it had an outer seal and an inner seal. This is Marsk, Sydney and London, and it is a foiled again. It is the shade. It is a loose powder pigment, and it kind of got everywhere once I finally got the seals off. And that is what it looks like. It is a silvery sparkle eyeshadow. That's what I was trying to think of. And then the swatch next to it right here is Bang Beauty, which I know I've gotten something else from Bang Beauty, but I don't know much about it. It is their blush in Smoked Peach, which really reminds me of the Papa Don't Peach by Too Faced, which is one of my favorite blushes that I haven't used as much as I want to because I don't want to use it up. So that is what this looks like. So I think I'm going to keep this one out and use this one for the next week or two, so that I have a nice pinky peachy blush for that. So I'm excited about that one a lot. Then I got a set from English Laundry. This is just the English Laundry set, and it had this little thing that says become a fan and receive a free gift, EnglishLaundryFragrance.com/fans. So if you want to do that too, you can. And I do like this, as I said a couple minutes ago, because I'm just technology impaired some days. I think I'm going to keep this in my desk drawer here at work because I do have another, I have a set. I bought a set of these at Macy's a couple years or a year ago. And so I have this scent at home, but I'm going to keep this one here because there are days when I forget to put on perfume and then I feel just a little less than throughout the day. It's that added pick-me-up that I need. And then the last thing I got was a double-ended brush from Luxie. This is the $2.49. It has a blender brush on one side and a shader brush on the other, which is really nice because those are two of my favorite Luxie brushes. But as I said, I don't know how to store these because I store mine like this in brush cups, and you can't do that when they're double-ended. So they get stuck in a box, like a Glossybox, full of things that lay down because I don't ever use them, so they don't ever they just sit there in the box. So I need to figure out how to store this better. So that was my Ipsy. I wish that Ipsy would give you prices on their little cards because this is just useless. I don't care about the 20 different people that they put on there. That sounds harsh, but I'd rather know what the products are worth and how to use them, something about them, which almost every other subscription actually does. Ipsy is $10 a month, and I will put a referral link down below. I just redeemed for the Chorus. They had something for Chorus. I can't remember what it was. But that's the one nice thing about Ipsy is that you do get points that you can redeem. So if you would like to use my referral code, I would really appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you are having a fantastic day. Let me know what you got in your Ipsy and in your Glossybox if you get them, or what you thought of mine as well. And if you haven't subscribed yet, if you would subscribe, it would mean so very much to me. I am trying to grow my channel and get up to a higher subscriber count. So I appreciate everyone who has already subscribed, and I hope you are having a fantastic day. Bye.